This is a 6-row repeat worked on a multiple of 5 plus 4. For my sample, I cast on 24 stitches with worsted weight yarn and US size 8 needles. For row 1, you're just going to knit all stitches. For row 2, you're going to start by purling the first 4 stitches. And then you're going to repeat knit 1, purl 4 to the end of the row. Knit 1, purl 4. Row 3, knit all stitches, for row 4, you're going to start by purling the first 4. Then you're going to repeat knit 1, purl 4, until you get to the end of the row. So you knit 1, purl 4. For row 5, knit all stitches, and for row 6, just knit all stitches. And you just repeat those 6 rows for the pattern.